Okay, so recently Adidas had a 40% off site wide sale, and I figured it was time for something new. Um, as you can see, the tape wasn't the best, so hopefully the shoes I ordered are still in the box. I don't think anybody would steal these, but you never know. So whenever there's like a 40 to 50% off sale, that is my opportunity to like kind of experiment, try out a model that I normally wouldn't gravitate toward. I like the box. It's like an off-white and black box, something like that. The name of the shoe is the Spiritain 2000. Spiritain 2000. I don't know. Y'all let me know down in the comments how to pronounce that. But yeah, man, shout out to Adidas, man. And this is a shoe that the only reason I copped was because of the colorway, man. I think the shoe in general is not the best looking shoe. And like with the other colorways kind of confirmed that for me. But this particular colorway though, I'm a big fan. It's like a peach, tan, cream, green. It's kind of like a Miami Hurricane vibe, kind of sort of like a nice summertime shoe. It's a little bulkier than I anticipated, but I don't know. I think I paid 40, maybe $50. I'll post the confirmation and everything up there. Um, Based on the reviews, if you happen to want to check this shoe out or this like particular model, I will go up a half size. A lot of the reviews were 50-50, but one of the reviews that stuck out to me was someone that wears a size 12. They said, yeah, I'm a true size 12, but I need it to go up to a 12 and a half in this. So that's why I got a 12 and a half in these. Starting out on the midsole, you get the all white Adiprene. Your upper, you get a mix of mesh and I say mesh and leather with some synthetic material. So you get that mesh toe box going up the upper as well, and you get those leather hits on the eyelets. Get another hit of leather on the heel. I do not remember this shoe ever like dropping. When they say 2000, I'm assuming they dropped in the year 2000. But some of these companies, they just throw out random years. This could be like a upgraded version of the shoe, but like I said, I do not remember this shoe at all. So it could have been a 2000s pair that went back in the vault up until now, since the whole dad wave is coming back strong. Everybody wants a dad shoe, and they're competing with like New Balance and Nike now. So I'm not mad at these, especially this color. The rest of them I'm good on. This is probably most likely will be my only pair of the Spiritain 2000s. And you also get the name of the shoe right there, just in case you forgot. But yeah, I mean the outsole, nice peanut butter outsole with the green hits. You get that torsion system. This kind of looks like an air bubble on the heel. I'm not sure what Adidas would call this technology, because Nike Air is trademark, so this can't be an air unit technically, but I guess it's AudiWear. I see the AudiWear right there on the heel, and 4Motion. So maybe the air unit is 4Motion. But yeah, overall, man, pretty dope shoe. I like the colorway, like I said, something different, and it's gonna be lightweight, especially good for the summertime. So yeah, if you want to check out the Spiritain 2000, hop on it while they're cheap. I think the black and gray pair might be going for like $40, maybe even 30, depending on the size. So I mean, it's a nice shoe to try out. If anything, you want a new pair, you don't want to break the bank, 40, 50 beans, get you a dope shoe. Yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching.